Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Authentics, either a 200, a 300, or a 500 smart speaker, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now this is not a factory reset. It's not going to restore any of the factory settings. It's not going to delete all of the pairing history and everything like that. It's simply going to disconnect the battery from the circuit boards and everything like that just momentarily, and then restore power to clear out any issues like if the buttons are not responding or if it's not connecting or something like that. It seems to be frozen. We can go ahead and do this. All we need to do is on this is come in and press and hold this power button for more than 10 seconds. And no matter what's going on, this will force it to disconnect the battery and then reconnect the battery, which will fix a lot of issues. Now, hopefully that fixed your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, you can move on to an actual full factory reset and restore the factory settings. I will put a link in the description to how to do that. But anyways, let me know if this worked for you, and if it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.